Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and I'm really proud to share with you my personal brand new Model Y Performance. I got rid of my Model 3 Performance, even though it was a great car, because I wanted to have the latest and the greatest, and Model Y is where it's at. I absolutely love it. Let's talk about what I did to it. Well, starting off, as a first, I wanted to go ahead and do another Xpel Stealth complete wrap. I love this look. I've done it before. And what really bothered me initially was the fact that just like the Model X, the Model Y, lower plastic trims underneath the front apron, the wheel arches, the side skirts, the rear, it's that textured black plastic. And you can't wrap over it because it's just not gonna adhere properly. And I just don't love that look. So we took all those pieces off, we smoothed them out, we sent them off to the body shop, we painted them gloss black, reassembled them on the car, and now everything is uniform. And that's where the Xpel Stealth film came into play. We wrapped the complete vehicle, as you can see, using Xpel Stealth film to go ahead and have that really cool satin finish that we all love. And what do you think? I think it's amazing. I absolutely love it. Very sporty, enhances all the design lines that the Model Y has. And most importantly, it is protecting my paint from underneath from road rash, bad weather elements, bird dropping, so many things that actually can just ruin paint on your car. The Xpel film takes care of all of that. Well, as you all know, the Model Y already comes with Chrome Delete from Tesla. There's no chrome on the Model Y. So we couldn't do Chrome Delete. Tesla's taking care of that now for everybody. I wonder if they were inspired by how many Chrome Deletes we did. Interesting. But here's a new feature for us. We actually have some special film that we're using to tint the headlights and the fog lights, just to give a little bit of a cooler look. Now let's talk about the wheels. Model Y Performance with performance upgrades come with 21-inch Uber turbine wheels. And you know what? I actually really like those wheels. They're really cool. But you know what? I think our wheels are cooler. Take a look at our brand new one-piece forged MY for Model Y 117 wheel. This wheel starts its life off as a 320-pound specially prepared block of aluminum that gets machined down in our factory, in our CNC machines to create wheels one at a time. Each one of these wheels take about 5 hours to create. But take a look at the finish. Brushed clear. What do you think? Is it cool? Does it match the wrap? I really want to hear your opinions about that, but I think it's great, and I think it's the proper fitment for the car. But my business partner thought that, you know what, maybe this brush clear isn't the right finish. So on the driver's side, we have MY117s, however, they're finished in Velocity Red. I mean, take a look at the candy red appearance of this wheel. It actually starts off just like a brushed clear coat wheel, but then we have our special formula to give it that candy red finish. So yes, I'm driving on my car with two different styles and colors of wheels, but it's really not that weird because you can't see both sides of the car at the same time, right? So it's a little fun. I'm undecided. I really don't know which way I'm gonna go. I might take them both off and make everything gloss black. Let me know your thoughts. What should I do? Velocity red, brushed clear, or just go gloss black? Thank you so much for watching, Tesla fans. Again, I really want to hear from you, your comments regarding the wheels, the wrap, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon, and stay tuned. The next video is actually going to be a Model X and my Model Y, both of them Xpel Stealth complete, and I want to hear your thoughts on that too. So stay tuned.